Shireen, we're driving on the road. We're driving on Anderson Drive and see and tell me say one little girl missing from the school Ali used to go to. I mean say it kinda just changed the mood in the car. And then we reach on Anderson Drive and we see a little traffic and we say and it look like a police, you know. When we look, we see police and see and ask him and say, is the little girl you're looking for? The police say yes, and we continue driving. When we reach now out of the bridge at Maypen, go under the bridge now, turn from Bustamante Highway, we see one little girl in one blue uniform with one man, and we see like the man stop a vehicle. See and say, you know, say at the uniform that Mr. Say and send me the picture of the little girl. In time I say it in our community group, Langville Park group. When him send me zoom in, I say babes turn back me pussy if I she, and him just spin round up the road. And when we drive back we couldn't see cause him a walk fast. We look, we see him a go up like we heading to the stoplight. So when we drive up to him now, because the hairstyle different from the picture, so I say and I zoom in the picture, so I just want to see the face. So when you drive up close to him now, I wind down the window and I look, I say, Jesus, see another little girl, you know. Him say she, him say alright, so him say, when the man reach to the window, him say, oh, sir. So me I try to wind up window because I don't know if him have a weapon. So I want the window even halfway. And him say, oh, sir. Who the little girl there to you? And him not answer him, hold her hand tight and walk faster. I said, Jesus, and I take him and I take what the picnic for true. So then I have to drive up past him, stop almost in the road, and say, oh, sir. And he turn the next way and see and drive out her vehicle. I have to say, Alice, sit down. And me I run out because I said, Jesus, me no want him. Do my husband nothing today. And he run on upon him and grab him. And I said, who this little girl to you and something like that. The little girl said, he's taking me away. Mr. Shireen, I can't allow me for you. And the little girl said, so I said, come baby, run, come. And he not let her go. I said, see, and grab her hand from him, saying, but choose influence so upset at the situation and he have him. I said, see, and grab the pick me hand. And he grab her from him and I said, come baby, come. And she run come to me and I put her in the car. I put her right in the car seat. And she in there, she cried. I say, I have to just start praying. We just start praying for the little girl, her parents, her family. Oh Jesus. She said he let me walk in the bush so that I am not seen. Just like that, she said it. She's so intelligent. She said he took my tie and he took my watch and he hide them. Oh Jesus, Shireen. I tell him I need them a buckle. I need them a buckle. I have to send up some praise to God to them man right on the spot. All the police then come on and I say, boy, God is to be praised. Me I tell her, No. Somebody called the parent. Some men stopped as well because they saw Sian hold the person one way. And them stop and come on. And I said, call the police because of him have the little girl. And them, everybody, all who were there were trying to call the police. Because the police were just up the road, as I tell you. Just keep her in the car. Man, I wait, you know, to see her parents come and tell her, I would have only feel better if I could have put her in her mother's hand, honestly. But eventually the police said, to bring her come, them I got make sure get medical attention. Now we leave.